Next we discussing about the topic is potential energy of a dipole in an external field. In an external field. See, this is the topic is already we can discussing about in a electric charges and field. See, that is the torque acting on a uniform electric field. The torque acting on a dipole in a uniform electric field, or also the electric dipole in a uniform electric field. The same, but what we can find the extension by the potential energy. See, let us consider uniform electric field. What we can consider by the uniform electric field. So this is the uniform electric field. In uniform electric field is denoted by the, now the placed or consist of a dipole. What we can consider by the dipole. Dipole is nothing but one is negative charge, another one is positive charge. See here the negative charge is placed at A point and the positive charge the placed at B point. Placed at B point. Now, these two charges, the dipole is separated by a small distance. See, that is constrained by the 2a. How much of the distance is constrained by the 2a? Now, it's making an angle theta with field lines. The making an angle is the theta with an field lines. Now, this electric field, sum of the force expressed on positive charge and sum of the force expressed on a negative charge. Now, the force acting on negative charge is opposite to the electric field. See, that is the F is equal to minus QE. And this electric field, the force acting on a positive charge is along the electric field. That is F is equal to Q into E. This both force will be of the same. The magnitude only will be same, but is acting in opposite directions. Now, hence this dipole can be rotates. Hence the dipole can be rotate because of, see, one of the force is acting, this is the direction. The another force can be is acting in a, this is the direction. The two are opposite. Now, when the opposite direction is there, the dipole can be rotated in a electric field. See, now the rotated is nothing but is called the torque. What is called is the torque acting on a dipole. The torque acting on a dipole is nothing but, what is the formula for the torque? The force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Now, right here the consider a dipole with charges positive and negative separated by a 2a making an angle theta with field direction. Now here, when here the torque is stable, the torque is equal to the force on negative charge. F is equal to minus QE. Force on positive charge. F is equal to plus QE. Now, what we can acting by here, the torque can be stable. What is the formula for the torque? Torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Perpendicular distance between two forces. Now, the perpendicular distance of the two forces is nothing but, this is the one of the force is the draw the perpendicular. This is the extending. Now, this is the another charge of the perpendicular. The two extension, the where we are the coexist, that point is called the perpendicular to each other. Now, this point we can see, and here the perpendicular to the each other. Now, it's a making of angle here also. How much is there is a theta. So, perpendicular distance is nothing but what is considered by the AC. See, right here the force into AC. The perpendicular distance, how much is the AC? Then we can write the find the AC value, the using of triangle. From triangle ABC, from triangle of the ABC, apply the sine theta. Sine theta is nothing but to opposite by adjacent hypotenuse. Opposite how much is there? AC by hypotenuse is nothing but AB. Then the cross multiplication AB sine theta is equal to AC. A to B, that is nothing but dipole of the length. How much is there here? The 2A. 2A sine theta is equal to AC. Then substitute here the force is equal to QE into 2A into sine theta. This is called as the PE into sine theta. Since the dipole moment is equal to 2A into Q. Dipole moment, how much is the QA into 2. See, this is the actually the torque acting on a dipole. This is considered the equation number 1. If we are acting on external force, the acting on a external force, now this dipole can be rotated in a electric field. The dipole can be rotated in a electric field. There is a theta 1 and theta 2. Theta 1 and theta 2. See, we get the torque, external torque. Okay. See here. So what is the torque is going to PE sin theta. Suppose and external torque is applied. And now external torque ante ఉన్నదానికంటే extra కొద్దిగా torque అనేది apply చేస్తున్నాను. Now the external torque is applied on a dipole. Then it is rotates. Then it is rotated in a plane of paper. In a plane of paper from angle theta 1 to theta 2. See, that is the here actually is there. Now the external torque we can apply. This can be rotated. This is the angle is theta. Again it's a opposite. There's a restoring force is developed and it's come to the return back. That angle is considered the theta 2. Again it's the moving. Now just like if it's the oscillations are considering by in a this dipole in a plane of paper. Due to we can apply of a external force. So that's why I say that from angles are what is taken by the theta 1 to theta 2. Therefore work done by external torque. Work done by external torque. The W is equal to integration. Where to where the theta 1 to theta 2 is rotated by their force into displacement. Force is nothing but here the external torque into displacement is taken by the d theta. Displacement is taken by the d theta. Then we can write here the integration theta 1 to theta 2. Tau is equal from equation 1 what is there? PE into sine theta into dt. Then here the constant values right is the before of its integration. See what are the constant is there? The P is the constant, that is the electric dipole moment is a constant and electric field also will be constant. So what will be changed? Only for the angle we can be changed. Then we can have the W is equal to PE into integration theta 1 to theta 2. What we can the sine theta into d theta. But we know the integration formula. Integration of sine theta is equal to minus cos theta. Since here the integration of sine theta is equal to what is it? Minus cos theta. Then substitute here the PE into minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. Then write the limits are there. Theta 1 to theta 2. Then the theta replaced by the first value is theta 2. Then the second value you can write before is coming by the minus. The PE into minus cos theta 2. Already there the in formula minus. And here also there the minus cos theta 1. See minus into minus plus. Now the plus value can write the first term and the minus value write the second term. The PE is equal to cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. This is the work done. See if any body the work is stored in form of a potential energy. The work is stored in form of potential energy. Then we can write the W is equal to what we can write here the U. The U is equal to P into E cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. See this is the formula of a Okay, potential energy of a dipole in an external field.